Okay, I'm upstairs now. This is the game room. She uses it as a study. Be a perfect playroom for kids. Media room. You got a huge walk-in attic right there. I mean, it's like a full room. And then let's come down the hallway area here. And you got one bedroom here. As you can see, more big windows. They're pretty much ready to go. And we have our bathroom here. Double sinks. Big tub. Nice sized bathroom. And bedroom here. Good size room. Big closets. And last bedroom here. This is a great family room, family house. Linen closet there. And back to the large game room.